Alright, so I just got this this 2009 5-ton carrier heat pump starting up in heat mode, frozen. Gentek fan motor, open the scroll. There's a reversing valve. 2009 3-ton. Oh, it's actually a 3-ton. Oh wait, no, that's a 5-ton. Sorry, my bad. It's all good though. Good God, this fan is out of shape. Fortunately, this one shut off before it went into defrost, so couldn't get that one. But here's this one I just got starting up, frozen, running in heat mode. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.